Okay, it's Homework Help Day 3, Week 2. Let's get started. First one is estimate 3/7 times 8/9. No calculator. Now, here is what you've got to be able to do. When you estimate fraction products, each fraction rounds to 0, half, or 1. So 3/7 is either going to be close to 0, half, or 1. 8/9 is either going to be close to 0, half, or 1. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write what I call helper numbers. So for example, 3/7 is in between 0 and 1, right? Now 0 is the same as 0/7. 1 is the same as 7/7. Half would be half of 7, which would be 3.5/7, which is not a fraction we would write. But 3/7 is very close to 3.5/7, which is half. So 3/7 rounds to half. Now 8/9 we're going to do the same thing. Remember, 8/9 is somewhere between 0 and 1. Now 0/9 is 0. 9/9 is 1. Half of 9 is 4.5, so 4.5/9 would be half. 8/9 is really close to 9/9, so 8/9 rounds to 1. Now when you multiply, half times 1, or half of 1, equals half. That's how you estimate fractions. All right, the one below, write an expression to represent 5 less than a number. Now, less than we know it's subtraction, but here's what's tricky. People get it mixed up, whether it's going to be 5 minus, and you could use any variable you want, so I'll use n, or n minus 5. So obviously you would probably pick one of those, but which one is it? Well, I'm going to tell you the correct answer, and then I'm going to explain it. 5 less than a number is actually n minus 5. And I want you to think of it. If I said 5 less than 6, I bet you would automatically say, hey, that's 1, right? 5 less than 6 is 1. Well, what math problem did you do to get that? You didn't do 5 minus 6, you did 6 minus 5. So 5 less than 6, the 5 comes second. So think of that. Think of a math example like that to help you decide whenever you're dealing with a subtraction expression, because the order is tricky. All right, so this is your correct answer. I hope this helped, and be ready for some questions tomorrow in class. Thanks.